In this video, we're going to take a look at the WordPress administration panel, which provides access to all the functions and features of your WordPress-powered website. To access the WordPress administration panel and begin managing your site's content, simply click the login link on your site's homepage. Or if your site's theme doesn't have a login link, you can simply type wp-admin at the end of your website's URL to pull up the login screen. Enter your username and password, and then click the login button. The dashboard is the first screen you'll see when you've successfully logged into WordPress. The admin panel is made up of 4 sections: the header, the main navigation, the work area, and the footer. The header shows the name of your blog, which is also a link that you can click to switch to the public view of your site. Clicking your username will take you to your profile page where you can edit your personal preferences, contact information, bio, and password. Just below the header bar are 2 hanging tabs, Screen Options and Help, which expand when clicked and provide additional options or contextual help specific to whatever page or panel you're currently on. On the left-hand side of the screen is the main navigation menu, which contains links to all the administrative functions in WordPress. Placing your mouse over a menu item reveals a drop-down arrow just to the right of the name, which can be clicked to expand or collapse each section, revealing the sub-menu items. Clicking the arrow again collapses the sub-menu. You can minimize the entire menu if you like by clicking the Collapse Menu link at the bottom. When the menu is minimized like this, the sub-menu items will be displayed when you hover over the icon of a parent menu item. You can also configure the main work area of your dashboard however you like by choosing which boxes or modules you'd like to display and where each box should appear on the page. Clicking the Screen Options hanging tab at the top of the page allows you to choose which modules you'd like to use. You can completely hide boxes that you don't plan to use by simply unchecking the box next to the module's name. You can come back at any time and re-enable these. You can also choose to display modules in 1, 2, 3, or even 4 columns. It's easy to rearrange the boxes on the dashboard. If you hover your mouse over the title bar of a module, you'll notice that your cursor changes, letting you know that the module is movable. Click on the title bar of the box and then drag the module to a new location on the page. Release your mouse button when you see a dotted gray outline in the location where you want to place the box. The modules can also be expanded or collapsed by clicking the arrow just to the right of each title bar, or anywhere in the title bar itself. Some boxes have options that can be configured by clicking the link in the title bar. This enables you to completely personalize your dashboard to work in the best way for you. Now, let's take a look at some of the individual boxes on the dashboard screen. The dashboard provides information about recent activity on your site, as well as the latest news from the WordPress community. The Right Now module provides a summary view of your blog statistics and identifies which theme and version of WordPress you're currently using. As you can probably guess, the next module displays the most recent comments on your blog posts and allows you to moderate them by simply hovering your mouse over an individual comment. You can approve, reply to, edit, mark as spam, or delete a comment directly from here. Recent Drafts displays the 5 most recent draft posts or articles that you've started. Configurable boxes for incoming links and RSS feeds from the WordPress blog, most popular recent plugins, and other WordPress news are displayed at the bottom. You can also configure these modules to display the most recent news and articles from a different RSS feed if you prefer. At the bottom of the administration panel is the footer, which contains links to the WordPress website, documentation, license details, and the support forum. And in the bottom right-hand corner, the version of WordPress you're currently using is shown. Now, if you're not running the latest version of WordPress, you'll usually see a yellow notification message across the top of the page, informing you that a new version of WordPress is available. You can also click the Updates submenu to view a list of updates that are available, including WordPress itself, as well as any plugins or themes you might have installed. This panel makes it easy to keep all your plugins up to date with just a couple of clicks. One of the most useful modules on the dashboard is called Quick Press. This enables you to quickly create a new post or article directly from the dashboard. Simply enter a title and then add some content to quickly create a new blog post or article for your site. You can even upload and insert images, videos, or other files. And you can add tags which function like keywords, further describing your content and making it easier for your readers to find other articles containing the same keywords or tags. Click the Publish button to save your new post and publish it to your blog. And now, if we visit the home page of our site, we'll see that our new post has been published. Also, because we're currently logged into our site as an administrator, we can see a handy feature across the top of the page known as the admin bar. The admin bar provides quick access to some of the most common administrative tasks while you're viewing your site. It's only visible to users who are logged in, but if you don't like this feature, you can disable the admin bar in your profile. You can also enable the admin bar so that it appears across the top of all the pages in the dashboard if you like. Well, now that you're familiar with the dashboard, we'll move on to the next video where we'll talk about how to add and edit posts or articles.